Alright, cool, we're rolling. Okay, so before you say anything, yes, I'm in the BMW right now, but as the title of this video explains, we are going to get into a POV with an Audi S1. It's with my friend Georgia. She is behind me right now, so in a minute I'll get her to fly past, assuming that the traffic's all good. But I just wanted to say before the video starts, if you're not already subscribed and you like POVs, hit that subscribe button. I want to see us get to 300. Oh, almost got hit by a truck there. I didn't see that one. I want to see us get to about 300 subscribers. I want to get 1,000. But yeah, that would be the goal. That's the goal for the end of the year, 1,000 subscribers. So I think she's ready to come past now. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. So now that I've provided the less bullshit, anyway, rambling, we'll get on with the video. We're gonna pull up and find somewhere. We're gonna quickly walk around the car, show you what's good. It's a stunning car, very quick, and especially in a day like today where it's raining, this is where you need quattro. So yeah, we'll switch over to when we've pulled in somewhere and we'll go. In 3, 2, 1. All right, we're rolling. So this is George's S1. She's just turning it on now. What colour yellow is it called? Vegas yellow. But yeah, I'm gonna let Georgia tell you about her car because she knows more about the car than I do. So take it away. What do you like the most about your car?
Oh god, I think stock. I didn't really actually like it that much because it was just a bit basic. But I put like the splitters on. Yeah. Well, the side skirts, the front splitter. You can get rear spats for it, but I thought I'm not really a massive fan of them, so left them off. I would prefer it a bit noisier. I mean, standard noise is not great. Do you want to go?
Yeah, just rev it.
I mean, it does sound loud at the back, but inside the car, when you drive in, you can only hear the engine noise. It's a bit...
You don't mind being on camera, do you? Not camera shy.
Nah. Hi everyone.
Yeah, these come only in a manual.
Yeah, the interior's got the normal steering wheel. I would have preferred a flat bottom as well, so if anyone's selling a flat bottom steering wheel, holler.
DM.
I put the ring vents on. These are a bit temperamental. I mean, sometimes when the heaters turn on, they decide to fly off. So, I mean, I don't know if I fitted that properly, but we'll just sort that out.
We'll sort that out later. Obviously, it's 5-door. It's locked at the moment.
Wait, I'll unlock it.
It's 5-door. You ain't got anything dirty in the back of here, have you? But it's what is it? Is it classed as 4 seats or 5 seats? Because it's 4 seats, so there isn't actually a belt in the middle. There's no headrest. But I don't think you could squeeze 5 people in there anyway. Because at the end of the day, it's just a hot hatchback. Yeah. You don't want to be fitting a million people. What's the boot space like?
It's open. I mean, at the minute I'm using it as a closet. I mean, it's not brilliant, but it's better than the car I had before, which was an Adam. That was obviously absolutely tiny.
And that was yellow as well. If you've got a picture, send me that and I'll post it on the screen.
So yeah.
But yeah, I think you've got a good look on the outside now. I think we'll hand you over to Georgia in POV cam, and then yeah, we'll get on with the video. So we'll see you in a minute.
Okay, I want to introduce myself again because we've just had some serious technical difficulties. What, now it's recording?
Now it's recording, yeah. And then if you press it again,
and had to pull over to sort them out. So yeah, hi everyone on Sam's YouTube. We've just had to wait for the rain to stop, but now it's beautiful. Sorry, I'm just pulling out and I'm trying to concentrate. Anyway, So, Audi S1 time. I absolutely adore this car. It's my second car. I've had it about a year and a half and no problems, no major issues. I'm absolutely in love with it. My favourite car. There isn't one day where I hate it. I just absolutely love it. Power wise, 228 brake, stock power for me. I've not done anything to the power. I'd like to, but unfortunately, there's Sam. I would like to do something to the power and make it a bit quicker, but it needs a new clutch. Stock clutches are like sponge basically. They won't handle a stage 1 map, so yeah, I need to get the clutch done before I get any maps. To take this car to over 400 odd brake, you would probably need to get the Golf R IS38 turbo, which obviously comes at a cost with all the other parts you'd need with it. I think this car would be an absolute rocket at over 400 brake. I mean, it's quick. I used to have a Vauxhall Adam before, but changed that because I wanted more power. And this car was my absolute dream car. Just absolutely loved it, and I got to where I wanted to in my job. And yeah, just bought it. I don't really know what else there is to say. Oh, steering wheel. I mentioned this before. This is a better view of it. Circular. I would much prefer the flat bottom wheel because I just don't like the look of this. It looks too standard. Controls wise, screen obviously is there. There's the car has different modes, so efficiency mode obviously self-explanatory, a lot more fuel efficient. Auto kind of flicks between the two. Dynamic, I don't know what dynamic actually does. I mean, if someone does, please let me know in the comments. I don't know. I mean, it obviously makes it a bit louder actually. But that's all I notice. I mean, I feel like in efficiency as well, it's a bit more groggy. It's kind of like wanting to just clonk. So yeah, I always have it in dynamic mode. I mean, it's not great on fuel. As you can see, 21 miles to the gallon there. It's not ideal. So, but I don't care how much fuel I put in this. I love driving it. I'd put all my money in the car if I could. So, right, I'm gonna ring my friend Chris Tarrant off Who Wants to Be a Millionaire because I feel like I'm babbling on now, and yeah, we're gonna see what he's got to say. Oh wow. I'm gonna try and ring him again actually. Oh, these bumps are horrendous. See, this is where I wish the car was louder so I could like absolutely blow everyone's eardrums apart in the tunnel. We'll follow Sam. I need to try and ring him again because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm going to put the wind down and hopefully Sam starts revving his car.
Hello, Chris Tarrant. How can I help?
Rev your car, rev your car.
Okay.
Oh! We love that. So, yeah, I've just been babbling. I've just been absolutely babbling on for ages.
Yeah?
I'm not really sure if it's any YouTube worthy, but you can sort that out.
Yeah, of course it is. Are you still recording now?
Yeah. You're
okay,
live.
Cool.
This isn't actually Chris Tarrant, by the way. It's just Sam.
It's just me. SP videos in the flesh.
Right, I've got an Audi A1 behind me. I'm not having this. Sorry, carry on.
I'll let you gap me if you want. But yeah, if you feel like you've said enough, then we'll just pull up somewhere and we'll show the car and talk about like anything you've missed or anything.
I've just been snowed by an Audi A1. Oh God, life's hard. See, because I'm new to this. I mean, look at me, a fashion diva. I don't know if anyone else just saw that come up on the dash saying aerodynamics tip, no, efficiency tip, aerodynamics closed windows. Like, how cool is that? I've never even seen that before. Like, wow. That's obviously come up because it knows it's being filmed. Show off. So yeah, I'm probably going to end this now and we're going to go to talk outside the car, I think. I'm not sure, but if we don't, then au revoir, our recipe. Yeah, I feel like this has kind of been a boring video because we've just been driving in a straight line in one gear. We kind of like need to get country lane vibes. Maybe that might be another one of Sam's video, country driving, you know, with the two cars. A question also that might be asked on Sam's channel, because I know he's got a lot of BMW followers, would I maybe trade my car for a BMW? No is the answer, because I am too scared of the fact that I will kill myself. I like my little Quattro, like having my 4-wheel drive. So yeah, I mean, they're lovely cars, I love them, but I would be scared to do that in a BMW, but I'm not in this. I mean, that wasn't quick, but yeah, quick enough for me. I probably am looking to get a car map this year, by the end of the year. Hopefully get it a bit quicker. I'm not quite sure what stage 1 takes it to be honest. I think probably about pushing 300 maybe, I don't know. Everyone's probably watching this with S1s and thinking, shut up, you don't know anything about your own car. I'm not, I don't really. My boyfriend's got an S3 and every time I've got a question about my car, I'll just ring him and ask him. I'm like, hello, I need help me please. Fix this to my car, fix that to my car. Needs to be quicker please, what do I do? So yeah. Right. The car inside sounds really crap, but on the outside I think it sounds better. So anyway, here we are.
Hopefully you saw the POV and hopefully it ended up being alright. It looked alright on the edit and that, or whatever, the preview, but we just missed a few things. So George is going to run over a few things about what she missed while the POV was talking, so take it away.
So another modification that I mean my boyfriend did for me is H&R springs, lowering springs. The gap between here used to be absolutely massive. I mean, it's got really dirty now, just pretend you didn't see that. It looks so much better lowered. I think what adds to it is the deflectors. These, I don't know if it's like an optical illusion or something, but it makes the car look so much better, looks lower. At first I thought, oh, wind deflectors, like, oh, they're going to look crappy, like tacky. But no, they look, I think they make a car look a lot better. And
yeah,
obviously quite.
And obviously they're useful because when you have the windows down, you can get fresh air in, and it doesn't let the weather in.
But yeah, I do think the springs look better.
It definitely sits better.
Yeah, ride-wise, I'd have to get a photo of it before.
Yeah.
To compare it. Ride-wise on the springs, I would say it is not very comfortable. Potholes feel like absolute craters, but it's worth it for the looks.
What was it like on the stock springs? I mean, it's not going to be comfortable.
Yeah,
because
it wasn't comfortable, but it was better than it is now. I definitely noticed a big difference when putting the springs on. Another thing is the spoiler alert. I think this style of spoiler comes only on the 5 doors. The 3 doors still have a spoiler, but it's not as nice as this one. Sorry if anyone with 3 doors I think this one's definitely better.
Yeah.
Another thing is the mirrors. Sam hates these mirrors, silver mirrors.
Oh, the mirror caps.
Oh,
yeah. I thought you were talking about these.
My little parking mirror.
They can't park mirrors.
So yeah, the silver mirrors come standard
On the S1s.
Yeah.
I think it's like that with all the S versions of the cars.
Yeah, it's like S3s, whatever. Silver is like kind of just proves it's an S1, but Sam keeps telling me to change it.
I mean, you can obviously now you can tell because there's bits been done to it.
Yeah.
You can tell.
Oh yeah,
even with the badge as well.
I put that on. That was just like straight lines before. I swapped it for the honeycomb grill. I think that looks a million times better.
Yeah.
One thing that I really don't like about the design of the front is, so if you look at these are all open, obviously for ventilation, cool air.
Yeah.
This side, they're all patched up.
So you've got one real.
It looks so odd.
That might be for stone chips, to be fair. Because if the air intake's on this side or whatever, I don't know how it works, but
Yeah.
I'm not a mechanic.
I don't like the look of that. They should have made it even.
Yeah. I mean, mine are.
Yeah.
I think mine's got stone protections on it, but fuck me, the amount of stones and shit on this reg, you need it.
Yeah.
Anything else you've missed?
I don't think so. No, I think that's everything.
Cool gravy, that is. But yeah, stunning car.
Dirty car now.
Yeah, well, I mean, I've seen it worse.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's just time of the year. So I'm gonna plop you on my car now. Do a quick 180. Hopefully we're still recording. But yeah, follow Georgia on Instagram.
It's Georgia Hanger, full stop, and then underscore.
I'll put it on the screen hopefully anyway. Follow her there. And yeah, follow me, Sam Part 140. If you're not already following me, suck your mum. But yeah, just gonna end it there. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully I ended up editing this right. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you want to see more videos with Georgia and Georgia's S1. But yeah, peace.
That's what I did.
Right, it's recording now.
Yeah.
So you can see, like, it says the theme. Right. Oh, sorry. Good job you got to straight in it. No, it should be recording now. So if you want to just go from here, and we'll sort it from there. Yeah.
Go where?
Right. So press it again.
What? Now it's recording.
Now it's recording. Yeah. And then if you press it again,